Can you find the square root of any number without using calculator? Connecting two unit-length segments end to end produces a segment of length square root 2. Draw a circle of radius 1 at the far end of this segment. Then erect a perpendicular to the original segment at that point. The new hypotenuse measures square root 3. At its tip, draw another unit circle. From that circle's boundary, draw a perpendicular to the latest segment. This hypotenuse measures square root 4. Again, draw a unit circle at its end. One more perpendicular from the circle's boundary yields a segment of length square root 5. You can repeat this circle then perpendicular process indefinitely. Each new right triangle has one leg of length 1, the other leg equal to the previous hypotenuse, and thus its hypotenuse measures the square root of n for successive n. By iterating, you construct segments of length square root 2, square root 3, square root 4, up through square root 10 and beyond, tracing out the spiral of Theodorus, also known as the square root or Pythagorean spiral. Using only a straight edge and compass, this method can generate a segment of length square root of 100, or square root of n for any positive integer n, simply by continuing the spiral construction by hand. So basically, it's a way to find the square root of any positive integer geometrically with a ruler and a compass without the use of calculator. So, can you find the square root of any number without using calculator?